This Saturday, cold fronts bring cloudy and wet weather to the southern and eastern parts of South Africa. This will result in low daytime temperatures on the high ground, and as the second cold front passes through KwaZulu-Natal, there's a good chance of rain for KZN this afternoon and evening, eventually spreading to the eastern escarpment as well. Otherwise, a fine and dry day ahead with bergwind offshore conditions towards the west coast. Hence, we're keeping the forecast in the far west dry, but there's still a chance of rain this morning between Cape Agulhas and Port Elizabeth, with scattered showers later today over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Light snowfalls possible along the Drakensberg mountain range and rain spreading to the eastern escarpment tonight. It's going to be a hot day in the northern parts of South Africa, 27 degrees in Polokwane, 24 in Mbombela and Pretoria, 22s in Durban and Richards Bay before the second cold front passes through, but otherwise low temperatures in the eastern and western Cape. Cape Town warming up to a high of 21 and Vredendal pleasant at 25 degrees. Now, after heavy swell on Friday along the west coast, wave heights dropped to 3.5 meters overnight. Easterly to southeasterly offshore winds up to 30 kilometers per hour along the Namaqualand coastline, and low tide to be expected just before 6 o'clock this evening. Further south, it's going to be a lovely day in Table Bay. Wind speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour along the Atlantic seaboard. Slightly stronger winds towards the southern peninsula and the Overberg coastline, with an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters. It could be a windy start to the day in Algoa Bay. Wind speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. East to southeasterly winds in Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay with an open ocean swell of 4 meters. And there's still some rain in the forecast along the south coast. For the east coast today, very strong winds, especially along the Wild Coast. Average wind speeds are 50 kilometers per hour, and this will also cause rough seas with wave heights up to 4 meters, while low tide can be expected at 6:05 this evening.
News that moves. eNCA.com.